Hello everyone, now we are going to learn the second step of the wastewater treatment plant for treating water, that is secondary treatment, and third step, that is tertiary treatment. Okay, so secondary treatment is having, there are two steps found in secondary treatment. What are those? Aeration and secondary sedimentation. Aeration means to supply air to that clarified water for further treatment of water, because in this aeration there are aerobic bacteria are supplied to this water for treatment of that sewage water, clarified water, by aerobic bacteria. So the clarified water that we have obtained from the primary treatment is passed into an aeration tank. In that aeration tank, basically there are aerobic bacteria acts on this clarified water and decomposes the organic matter. Whatever the organic matter that is left in that clarified water is treated by the aerobic bacteria. Okay. Then after treatment from this aerobic bacteria, the treated clarified water goes to the next sedimentation tank, that is called secondary sedimentation tank. And then in secondary sedimentation tank, the bacteria which are found in this clarified water settle down as activated sludge on the bottom of that tank. Okay, and this sludge which carries the bacteria, aerobic bacteria, that bacteria are then supplied to aeration tank. This tank, okay, aeration tank. Okay, in this tank, for further increasing the number of bacteria to reproduce more and more and more and more and more increase in the number of bacteria, and few bacteria are supplied to the digester tank that we have studied in primary treatment plant, where there is treatment of water was there through primary treatment plant. Okay, and the treated water, the sludge is settled down on the bottom of the tank, that is sedimentation, and rest of the water, that is treated water, is then goes for the tertiary treatment. Okay, in tertiary treatment there is one step, that is called chlorination. That means adding of chlorine for purification of water or supply ozone for clarification of water. Then after chlorination, whatever the rest of the impurities or germs is found, that is killed by the chlorine and ozone. And finally clear water after final treatment supplied to the water bodies, or just left it to the land areas for infiltration, and in this way water is treated. So there are three steps: primary treatment, secondary treatment, tertiary treatment. In primary treatment, screening, after screening grit removal, then sedimentation tank, and in primary sedimentation tank there is anaerobic bacteria that treats water in digester tank, and finally that purified water goes for the secondary treatment, and secondary treatment, then tertiary treatment. Now this water treatment is done. Okay, now you look at the screen.